Hello there.
Hi.
This is an episode of Food Truck Friday. You take your mask off?
Yeah, if they tell us to put one on, I'll put it on, but...
I keep mine on my face.
And we've been over here in this area before when they had a food truck frenzy. So,
making shit up, it's called a festival.
No, it's Food Truck Frenzy today.
Yeah, frenzy.
Frenzy.
We've been to a few of these places before.
We have the ice, we have the feasibilities.
Yep, but now we're going to see about this. I kind of want to see some of this grilled cheese Gangsters.
I definitely do.
Sandwiches and tots.
I don't want no tots.
I heard y'all niggas like a good tot.
You know
I like a good tit. I like a good tit. I don't know about tots. They got the cakes over there. It's probably these grilled cheese Gangsters right here. Okay, there go the menu. I was like, where the menu at?
I'm gonna take a picture.
The OG.
Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture and we can go to the back.
The Gangster tots. Hey, they got Gangster tots. I'm saying. What a place they got? Oh, it's that barbecue spot again. That spot was good. Oh, I was gonna see what all they had. Feasibilities. That's that barbecue spot we had before that had them different sauces. That's the one that made you tap out, wasn't it?
I didn't tap out. You keep saying that. I did not tap out.
Good.
I ate all of them.
Yeah, that was good. What's that? That barbecue one was
Yeah, y'all
good.
did this for Ivan.
Yeah.
We ain't had a barbecue one.
I agree.
Because I was supposed to come back and get these. I was supposed to get a.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, I just never did it.
And then you left.
Yeah, I think there was a long line or something. I tapped out on this because I was getting because we had hella food.
We literally spent like almost $150 here.
Yeah, well, so that's what I was like. I was like, I don't need any more.
Old-fashioned ice cream.
Hey,
Hey.
I was about to do some old fashioned ice cream. I gotta fart something vicious.
I was on this
These poor kids about to get it. He just walked away from me. Like, dang, that is a price on that. A $5 root beer float? Sheesh. I want one though. I want one though.
Red Robin's got unlimited for $3.
For huh? Oh,
Hey, boys! Boys!
I'm about to say they was not trying to get it. They about to get taken. Alright. I'm gonna get a root beer float. Any of y'all else getting something?
Oh, I guess I didn't know we was going right now. Thought we was
Yeah, I might as well. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna get a root beer float. You hold this for me 2 seconds.
Let me get
I
it.
like that shirt though. Thank you.
I'll cash out. Let me get a butter pecan bowl.
Butter pecan bowl. Yeah, I don't got no cash.
Oh, it's cash only?
Yeah, it's cash
Yeah, we
only.
said the same thing. I had to run to my car. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna say.
All right, Shai,
Okay.
come here.
Well, I guess we ain't doing that, man.
I'll do those jeans.
Yeah. In those jeans, when it seems.
Tortilla.
Thought y'all were looking directly at me. I was like, why?
No. He said, why? Get some tortillas.
They look directly.
Okay, to build your own. Let's see what you can do. Burritos, tacos, bowls, salad bowls, taco bowls, quesadillas, nachos, walking tacos. Walking tacos are good.
Hey, walking
Carne
tacos might be the best taco.
It might be. You ever had a walking taco? Yeah, that should be it. I might do this.
The nacho cheese Doritos.
Right here.
Ooh!
Yeah, hey.
I'm definitely getting. I'm going to grilled cheese gangster too, though, for sure.
No, I am too.
We've not had this, and we've not had grilled cheese gangster. And that's the only two places.
Are we doing this?
Yep.
I might get a
I'm
grilled
definitely
chicken
doing
one.
this. Look at the truck. Like, just look at the truck.
Fancy.
That looks good.
There's a line.
Oh, I didn't even notice the line. You see the line?
There's a red carpet.
I'm about to say, yeah. Well,
This is fancy.
all right.
Let me figure out what I'm gonna get.
Which one we going to first? We going to Tortilla or we going to...
This has a shorter line, so we might as well go here first.
All right. We're going to be back after these messages. All right. We're back.
I ain't gonna lie, I've been
We're
here.
at
Good. Can I
Tortilla.
get the walking taco with carne asada and carnitas?
Oh, no, baby.
Yeah, double.
I can tell you just got your beard lined up. I can tell. It's just the bottom part. I can tell. Cause I know they was cutting at your neck.
Oh, they got fruit shoots juice.
I was thinking about that too.
I don't know what flavor that is. Fruit shoots.
I was thinking about that too. Cause I was thinking of the Doritos, but then I was like, nah, that fruit shoots juice.
Charles was the whip and the mayonnaise.
Yeah, I saw. I should have recorded though.
Caramel or chocolate dipping sauce.
I like that.
Dipping sauce for what?
For the chimichangas or the churros.
Oh no! Why are you dipping your food in chocolate?
I mean, not chocolate, but caramel you can dip in churros.
Nah,
You ain't never dipped the churro in caramel?
I don't want to dip nothing in nothing.
Black.
You didn't get chips and cheese? Like,
I just wanted you to be raw. That's all it was. But I ain't going too far.
That's fine. They're being loud. Rice? Yeah, can I get the Mexican rice?
But they had been too.
Oh, that's fine. Dude.
We had gone too far already.
The cilantro rice? That's fine too. I do that.
I don't think I want no rice in my tacos.
Can I get black beans?
Black bean eating bitch.
Yeah, it's the carne asada and the carnitas. Double, please.
Yuck.
Shut up.
Yuck.
I was like, it's very hard to hear. Shut the fuck up.
Eat on them damn beans. You'll be shitting yourself.
What is barbacoa?
One steak, one beef. Like once it's like shredded beef.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
I might do one with that. I'm gonna see if you can do all three. Because tacos come with three.
You said peppers, onions, or queso?
I assumed it was 3 tacos.
The peppers
what I mean.
and onions, yeah.
I see what you're saying.
So I'm gonna see if you can do each one.
I thought you were saying up to 3 proteins for a second. That's what I was like, what?
I'm about to find out.
Pick one or double for $2 more. Oh. Yep, know what I'm doing. That taco gonna look good now.
All this look good for it.
Yes, please. Can I get the corn salsa, the pico, and
Yeah, I'm definitely doing the bowl though.
just a little bit of the hot salsa, and that's it.
Anything else for that?
Nope, that's it.
I can talk about this. That would be good.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like,
You lucky. You lucky you already beat the choice.
You in the... Dang, he did it. He did it. He did it. Zooming on.
Unless you want me to go next.
I got it. Can I get let me go ahead and get that walking taco. I wasn't gonna do it. Yeah, I changed my mind. And yeah, can I get walking taco? I know. I said that, but then I saw yours, and I was like,
What a steak.
Alright, rice.
Thank you.
White rice. You gotta do white rice.
Any black and refried beans?
No.
So no?
You said what? What was that?
Black and refried beans?
No beans.
Good meat?
Can I do the chicken and steak?
Double or half and half?
Double. I was gonna do half and half, and I thought about it like.
Any tequila peppers, onions, and queso?
Ooh, that's a lot. Can I do lettuce, cheese?
Next one.
Oh, you got me?
I know. It's like lettuce, cheese, and yeah, lettuce, cheese, corn salsa,
Okay, can I do the tacos?
sour cream,
That's the salt flour.
and a lime, and cilantro. And actually, can you add a little bit of the tomatillo?
Anything else on that?
That should be it.
Alright, I got you the very last one.
Okay. You guys have any drinks? Actually, I want the fruit shoots juice.
Unfortunately, I ran out of the fruit juice.
Oh, he ran the fruit shoots. All right.
So I only have Pepsi bar next time, man. So it's gonna be like regular Pepsi, Orange Crush, Sierra Mist.
Let's do Orange Crush.
Because for one,
That one hurt. I'm not gonna lie to you. I want that fruit shoots juice.
so that one, can I get the
You
green?
said what? You're never too over fruit juice.
Can I do barbacoa with that?
It's gonna be $13 for that. Thank you.
And can I do grilled steak on the other
Got my
one?
double meat too.
Yeah. Mine looks so messy.
I'm about to pour it in this bowl, I ain't gonna lie. Ugh.
There you go. Thank you. All right. We're gonna be back after these messages. Dang, strong ass win. I'm trying to.
Stiff ass line.
All right, and we're back again, dude. So mine is very messy.
Yours looks like baby shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Mine is very. It's that
Tell me what you got.
that sauce in there. They know what I got.
Okay.
They know what you got.
You know what Brandon got? Because you wasn't filming.
You was like
Brandon.
throw up.
I got
Brandon, I ain't gonna lie, Brandon. Yours looks the best out of all of ours. Because yours,
I got
yours
the
looks
tacos.
neatly compact. Ours just
It
looks
is
like
neatly
they threw our shit in there, which they did. But
So before that, y'all got walking tacos. Those are messy. They fired, but they're messy.
she better throw in the bag.
I'm gonna try it in the bag, and then if I can't, if I don't think I can make it work, then I'm gonna get the. Also, these are literally Doritos brand walking tacos chips. Like, I wasn't prepared.
It's good.
Is it?
I'm going 2 thumbs up.
Man, you already used one bite.
I think this is the barbacoa right
Yeah, I tried to mix everything I could in that one bite.
I got 3 some tacos to eat, so.
Ooh, that's spicy. That's good as fuck. That's 2 thumbs up for sure.
I got everything with chip.
It's good. This looking like basically chill right now. I only have one of them so far. But 2 thumbs up right now.
It's good. Ooh. Is it hot for you?
It is spicy.
But top out again.
Nah, but I said just a little bit of that hot sauce. They put a lot of that hot sauce.
That's why I didn't ask for it, because I want a little bit of beans and they still be like,
I was talking about getting that fuego, but I was like, I don't know.
oh no.
What's Fuego?
It's hot as hot. Oh, I do need a little sip of this orange.
Hey, see what I'm
Good.
sipping on?
Fucking lemonade. It's like, no.
Give me my sponsorship.
You hold this for me for 2 seconds so I can open up my drink.
The longer I eat this, the better it gets.
You said what?
The longer I eat this one, the better it gets. So now I gotta start that flavor.
I don't have no sponsors. I just drink shit.
You look like you're sponsoring him with your drink matching shirt.
That's good. It's real good. Ugh. Take that camera back.
What are we still filming for?
Well, did you give anybody each one, Brandon?
I'm gonna do one.
Brandon's like, I like to eat one taco at a time.
That's my fault. It was just good, so I just kept on going.
This was fire. Making me mad.
I might just grilled chicken.
Dang it.
It's good too.
Good thing it's in the bowl, so.
Kind of dry. This is good too. Kind of dry though.
That's probably the barbacoa.
I think this is good chicken for real. I think that's the barbacoa. Actually, I think the first one I just ate was barbacoa. I don't know.
This is what the carne asada looks like. That's the steak.
That might be steak then. The first one's probably the barbacoa. This one is like a thumb up. Definitely not better than the first one. I had.
You know what? I'm going from 2 thumbs down to this. Or 2 thumbs up to this. I don't know why I said 2 thumbs down. 2 thumbs up to this. This is fire.
That's a hell of a upgrade.
My brains and sandwich are so good.
It gradually got worse.
You say yours gradually got worse?
This like the steak is tough. It's not that far. It's just steak. Barbacoa is the best one. Grilled chicken's cool, but the steak is my least favorite of all 3 of them. It's still like a thumb up though.
And Trevor, what'd you say one more time?
I'm sticking with 2 thumbs up.
Well,
That shit busting.
well, mine's good. Well, we're gonna end this section of the episode right here. We're gonna go back and get the gangster grilled cheese here in a second. I'm gonna enjoy some more of this, and we're gonna be right back. All right, we're back. We're going to grilled cheese gangsters. Low key, I might get the Al Capone.
I think I'm gonna
get the Godfather.
If you do let me try it. I want to see it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Get them gangster tucks.
You ain't getting that?
No, I'm not getting that.
Dude, it has green onion on it, let you know. The gangster tart has green onions on it.
I was joking. I didn't actually expect you to get the
Oh,
gangster
okay.
tucks.
What is mafia sauce? That's what I want to know.
I was curious about that too.
Thank you. You're welcome.
What is the mafia sauce?
That's our homemade, like, secret sauce. It starts out sweet and it gets spicy.
It starts off sweet and it gets spicy. Okay.
Yeah, it's really good. You can always get it on the side.
Yeah. Let me get some on the side. Can I get the Al Capone and the gangster tots?
Do you still want the green onion on top?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
Can I have your name?
Kenny.
Brittany, will you take this? Okay. Sorry. I was like, I don't have any.
I was gonna grab the hand to see you, and I said,
I was trying to get my wallet. I was like, I can't grab this.
Still hold my walkie talkie.
"You don't throw that shit away."
I'm not done with this. It's good.
I'm tired of
Bro,
seeing
I
it.
might get another before we leave. So I have it at home.
I was thinking about getting more than tacos for real.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I bet it was good. You want to try some?
Here's that for you.
He said, no.
But you had to choose tip or no tip and then a signature.
I like that.
I do too.
You need a receipt?
That tip jar, I like that.
Thank you.
That's a good tip jar.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how attractive you know what? I do like that.
And I believe it.
If I had cash, I would definitely do some money in there.
Well, shit, I'm at least a 30 and throw on.
Someone's like, who ain't cute? Talking about shit. Hey, let's be the tip here, but that tip was different from what
Erica?
Who's like, no. Like, nigga, what?
you know, you just throw 100 in there.
Yeah, like we never said that.
Like, thanks.
You got it? Thank you.
I love to make you
Can I get the
stocky ass kid.
Godfather?
Is that all?
Yeah, that's it.
Can I have your name?
Travis.
It just built like flakes.
Is that for you?
Tip it. Tip it good.
Yeah.
And
That's his bite. That's all I need. I don't have so much.
oh.
Mmm.
Al Capone. The Al Capone.
I got the Godfather.
I like these mob tie names.
I'm kind of full.
I am too.
I was just sitting there looking at it. I was like, I'm not even hungry.
I'll take the first bite. Pretty good.
What do you give it?
1 thumbs up.
What was on that one? Just grilled cheese?
That's buffalo chicken. I ain't gonna lie to you though.
That's good.
It's almost like a half a thumb. It's almost a thumb to the side.
I'm going 1 thumb up as well. It's not good. I don't know.
It wasn't worth $9.
It's not. It feels like a $4. It'd be good for $4.
There's no seasoning on this chicken.
It really isn't. I was about to say that it really is like the, because mine's like a pulled pork kind of thing.
All I taste is the buffalo and the ranch. You want a bite? You want half the sandwich?
You don't want to. You want to try something more?
No. You want to? We can split. I can give you half. You can give me half. I was gonna give you this whole half. You can have the whole half. Still. I don't know.
Y'all are trading halves.
This is so much better. It's still not that great.
That's what I'm saying. I think like
You know what?
mine's 1 star.
It's a thumbs to the side overall for this place.
Dang, it's tickling. Okay. So it's gonna be tickling a little bit. That's still 1 star as well.
I don't know where the fuck you getting stars from.
You know what I mean? 1 thumb up, even
This is his rating system that he made up. He can't even stick with it.
1 thumb up. That's what I'm going with.
I hate that we have so many rating systems in Team 1
That's why I'm sitting there confused. And none of them involve stars, but I'm just doing that for some reason.
Yeah, none of them have stars. All right, let's try these. I want to try the mafia sauce.
I thought what's called did.
I'm excited. Gangster tots.
You said you thought what?
I thought what's called had the
The sandwich?
no, the star already.
Book it?
Yeah.
We have money signs.
Oh.
I was
Then
saying
yeah, you trip it. All the what you do
I
is.
was about to say the same. I'm saying stars then too.
I know.
Alright.
I think there's only been 1 week where none of us fucked up and said stars. I don't like a tot, and these aren't good looking tots either.
They aren't.
These are some ugly tots.
I'm gonna take a bite without it.
These tots look like sledge.
I ain't gonna lie to you, these tots ain't hitting with shit.
That sauce is trash too.
Yeah.
Honestly,
They're hyping
I'm
up.
gonna be 100% honest with you on this.
It's a miss.
I hate that. That's disgusting. You couldn't even finish it. You better flip them off too.
Yeah. That one, I can do the sandwich. The tater tots ain't that. The tater tots has no seasoning. It's bland.
It's kind of bitter.
We ain't had a miss like this in a minute.
This is RHL level miss.
Yeah, it's a big miss right here.
Brandon, go ahead and get you a tot.
I don't want no tot.
Get you a tot.
I don't like regular tots.
Yo, if you like regular tots, you hate these.
They're the little mafia tots.
These have no flavor.
You know what? The Italians are ashamed of you.
Wow.
Gangster grilled cheese. And on behalf of the Irish mob, fuck you. Respectfully.
On behalf of the niggas, I ain't like.
I like them though. They were nice people.
No, they're very nice people. And
They were.
And they were cute
They were
too.
cute. Ah!
So, yeah, they were cute too, but it was just.
Why did I become a mafia member?
He said, it's Parmesan.
Parmesan!
Elion can stay.
That's it.
It wasn't.
Elion can stay. I thought you were Italian.
It wasn't.
What's it is?
Sound like he casting a spell.
Well,
He said Expelliarmus and Body Cadaver.
was Leviosa. Huh?
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
I hated that.
I did too, because the whole time I was like, bitch, you said the same thing. Because I was a kid, I didn't understand the difference between like
The pronunciation of words.
where you put the emphasis at. I didn't understand the difference. So I was like, what is she talking about? She said the same shit twice.
I'm really hurt.
Yeah, I was excited for that. Honestly, I'll be 100 with you. I was really excited for Gangster grilled cheese, and I wasn't that excited about Tortilla. I fucked up. Excuse me.
I was excited. I was the opposite. I was excited about Tortilla. I wasn't like. I just like the name, the Gangster Grill.
Gangster Grills, you
Here's the thing.
bastards.
Here's the thing, though. I make a good grilled cheese. So I've come to really like grilled cheese because I make a good grilled cheese. This isn't a good grilled. This isn't even a grilled cheese, to be honest with you. It's a melt.
Yeah.
Because once you put meat on there, it's no longer a grilled cheese.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm not really a fan of grilled cheese like that. I like protein, some kind of protein in it. So that.
Hey, you gotta try my chili with a pepper jack grilled cheese. Shit be buzzing.
I'm gonna try it out, but
I'm about to make some I need to make some chili.
I'm hurt. I mean, I'm happy about the tortilla spot. That was good. So it wasn't like completely a miss going out here.
I got a Pepsi.
Because tortilla was good. Tortilla was great.
It was.
This was.
I'm mad I threw away my last couple bites.
I didn't. I still got mine. I'm about to go get another one here. So
I'm not. I can't do it.
Well,
You can take this to Nikki or Bailey or whoever the fuck you want, because I'm not doing it.
Alright. That's what I was doing with the other one. That's why I was like, that's why I read that one part off. Alright, well, I'm gonna end it right there.
Keep that motherfucker.
That thing tight.
Ew.